At this time, I would like to share how to cure cough pain with massage technique. Follow this video. But previously, please support us so that we remain motivated to make other useful video by like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget click the bell. And this is the points of massage and massage technique to cure cough pain. The first point, press in the throat from top to bottom, starting near the head to the base of the neck. In here, like this. Perform a relaxing massage, or you can do like this, and this is done for 2 to 3 minutes. And then the second point, massage from under the ear down until it's cling to collarbone. You can do like this. Press in here with slowly and relax. This is on the left side. Repeat and wait for 2 to 3 minutes. And then the third point, massage over the collarbone, starting from near the shoulder to the front, above the collarbone here. You can press with your left hand from here at the shoulder to the front. When you press in this area, feel translucent to the shoulders and chest, and this is 2 to 3 minutes. And then you can press on the left of this collarbone at the shoulders to the front and wait for 2 to 3 minutes. And then the fourth massage point, the point is under the collarbone, precisely in the corner near the shoulder. In here, press like this. Do it casually for 2 to 3 minutes. You can do in left side. In here, do it for 2 to 3 minutes. And then next point, press also in the front chest. In here, you can do like this. Repeat it continuously and feel the cough that we suffer gradually begin to subside. Okay, that's massage area to cure cough pain. Okay, that's how to cure cough pain with massage. And if you are currently experiencing cough pain, please practice slowly and relax. Rest assured, your cough will get better soon. Okay, thank you. See you in my next video.